Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Break Time. Day number 3. I wonder what we're going to find. How exciting. Okay, let's find number 3. Oh, I found it. Quick Smart. There it is, up there in the corner. And what do we have here? Oh no, it's little Emma. Yes, Emma, it's you. Stepping back in time. If I could turn back time. All right, better stop singing now. Let's take a look at you and your adorable little self. I just love this advent calendar this year of all the little micro doll friends. Look at you, Emma, with your beautiful little side pony. I'm trying to get it on there. It was a bit difficult. And look, you've got a little purple tree. Oh yes, Emma, you loving your little self? I think she is. We'll pop you guys over here while we make a little green stocking for little micro doll Emma. Look at that little green stocking, and she has a little magenta present and a few pieces left over. Look at you guys. Oh my goodness, I'm just too excited. Day 3 gone. I wonder what's for day 4. Alright everyone, see you again for tomorrow's reveal.